Benefits of bioinformatics and health tech. Bioinformatics and health tech are two rapidly evolving fields that are making a profound impact on healthcare and the life sciences. Here's an overview of both. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, and data analytics to analyze and interpret biological data. It involves the use of computational methods to process and make sense of large volumes of biological information, such as DNA sequences, protein structures, and genetic variations. Some key aspects of bioinformatics include genomics and sequencing, analyzing DNA sequences to understand genetic variations, identify genes, and study their function. Proteomics, studying the structure, function, and interactions of proteins in biological systems. Comparative genomics, comparing genetic information across different species to gain insights into evolutionary relationships and biological processes. Structural biology, predicting and analyzing the three-dimensional structures of proteins and molecules. Metagenomics, studying the genetic material of entire communities of microorganisms, which is especially relevant in environmental and microbiome research. Drug discovery and development, using computational methods to identify potential drug candidates and predict their interactions with biological targets. Personalized medicine, tailoring medical treatment and interventions to an individual's genetic makeup for more effective and personalized healthcare. Systems biology, studying the interactions and behaviors of biological systems as a whole, rather than isolated components. Bioinformatics offers numerous benefits across various domains in the field of life sciences and healthcare. Here are some of the key advantages. Genomic data analysis allows for the analysis of vast amounts of genomic data, leading to a deeper understanding of genetic variations, gene functions, and their implications in health and disease. Personalized medicine enables the customization of medical treatment plans based on an individual's genetic makeup, leading to more targeted and effective therapies with fewer side effects. Drug discovery and development facilitates the identification of potential drug candidates, prediction of their interactions with biological targets, and the optimization of drug properties, ultimately accelerating the drug development process. Disease understanding and diagnosis helps in uncovering genetic markers associated with diseases, aiding in early detection, accurate diagnosis, and better understanding of disease mechanisms. Comparative genomics allows for the comparison of genetic information across different species, providing insights into evolutionary relationships, adaptations, and the identification of conserved genetic elements. Proteomics and structural biology supports the analysis of protein structures, functions, and interactions, which is crucial for understanding cellular processes, drug target identification, and designing therapeutic agents. Metagenomics and microbiome research provides insights into the microbial communities living within and on the human body, influencing health and disease, as well as environmental processes. Biomarker discovery aids in the identification of biomarkers, which are measurable indicators of biological processes or disease states, used for diagnostic, prognostic, and therapeutic purposes. Systems biology and pathway analysis enables the study of complex biological systems as a whole, uncovering interactions, feedback loops, and emergent properties that are critical for understanding diseases and drug response. Agricultural and environmental applications used in crop improvement, environmental monitoring, and conservation efforts by studying genetic diversity, population dynamics, and environmental impact. Phylogenetics and evolutionary biology helps in reconstructing evolutionary relationships and understanding the processes that shape biodiversity. Education and research provides valuable tools and resources for teaching and conducting research in biological sciences, contributing to advancements in knowledge and technology. Data integration and visualization allows for the integration of diverse biological data sources, facilitating comprehensive analyses and the visualization of complex biological information. Ethical considerations and policymaking raises awareness and promotes discussions about the ethical implications of genetic research, leading to informed policy decisions. Overall, bioinformatics plays a pivotal role in advancing our understanding of biology, improving healthcare outcomes, and driving innovations in various industries, from pharmaceuticals to agriculture and beyond. It continues to be a critical field in the era of big data and personalized health tech. Health tech, short for health technology, refers to the use of technology to improve healthcare delivery, patient outcomes, and overall health and wellness. It encompasses a wide range of technologies and solutions that aim to enhance the efficiency, accessibility, and effectiveness of healthcare services. Key areas of health tech include electronic health records, EHRs, digital systems for storing and managing patient health information, making it more accessible to healthcare providers. Telemedicine and remote monitoring, using technology to provide medical consultations and monitor patients remotely, which is particularly important for providing healthcare in remote or underserved areas. Wearable devices and health sensors, devices like fitness trackers, smartwatches, and health sensors that monitor vital signs, physical activity, and other health measures. Digital diagnostics and imaging, utilizing advanced imaging techniques such as MRI, CT scans, and digital pathology for more accurate diagnosis. Healthcare apps and platforms, mobile applications and online platforms that provide health-related information, tools for self-monitoring, and even direct communication with healthcare professionals. Health analytics and data insights, using data analytics and artificial intelligence to derive meaningful insights from large volumes of healthcare data, enabling better decision-making. Robotics and automation in healthcare, incorporating robots and automation to assist in surgeries, patient care, and logistics within healthcare facilities. AI in healthcare, leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning for tasks like medical image analysis, predictive analytics, and natural language processing for medical records. Digital therapeutics, software-based interventions that can be used in the treatment or management of medical conditions. Both bioinformatics and health tech are at the forefront of innovation in healthcare and are playing pivotal roles in advancing medical research, diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. They are expected to continue to shape the future of healthcare, with ongoing developments in areas like precision medicine, genomics, and personalized health technology. Health tech, or health technology, encompasses a wide range of technologies and solutions that aim to improve healthcare delivery, patient outcomes, and overall health and wellness. Here are some of the key benefits of health tech. Enhanced patient care and outcomes. Health tech solutions improve patient care by enabling quicker and more accurate diagnoses, personalized treatment plans, and remote monitoring of patients' health. Increased access to health. Telemedicine and virtual health platforms provide access to medical care for individuals in remote or underserved areas, reducing barriers to healthcare services. Efficiency and workflow optimization. Electronic health records, EHRs, and digital patient management systems streamline administrative tasks, reducing paperwork and allowing healthcare providers to focus more on patient care. Remote monitoring and management. Wearable devices and health sensors allow for continuous monitoring of vital signs, chronic conditions, and other health metrics. This enables early intervention and personalized treatment plans. Reduced healthcare costs. Health tech solutions can lead to cost savings by reducing the need for physical office visits, preventing unnecessary hospitalizations, and optimizing resource allocation. Preventive care and health apps and wearable devices encourage individuals to take a more proactive approach to their health by providing tools for self-monitoring, exercise tracking, and nutrition management. Improved communication and collaboration. Health tech facilitates communication among healthcare providers, allowing for seamless collaboration on patient care plans and treatment decisions. Patient engagement and empowerment. Patients have access to their own health data, allowing them to take a more active role in managing their health and making informed decisions about their data-driven decision-making. Health analytics and data insights provide valuable information to healthcare providers, enabling them to make more informed and evidence-based decisions about patient care. Faster diagnoses and treatment plans. Digital diagnostics and imaging technologies provide quick and accurate assessments, allowing for faster diagnoses and treatment initiation. Improved medication management. Health tech solutions include tools for medication reminders, dosage tracking, and interactions checking, helping to ensure medication adherence and prevent adverse reactions. Reduced medical error. Digital systems and automation help minimize errors related to handwritten prescriptions, dosage miscalculations, and other manual processes. Innovation and technological integration. Health tech is a driving force for innovation, with ongoing developments in areas like artificial intelligence, remote surgery, and advanced diagnostics. Better resource allocation and plan. Health tech allows healthcare organizations to better allocate resources, manage patient flow, and plan for future healthcare needs based on data-driven insight. Overall, Health tech plays a crucial role in improving the quality, accessibility, and efficiency of healthcare services, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes and a more patient-centric healthcare.